pictures.
No, it's just for pleasure.
For pleasure?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Well, whatever I can. Put it on the internet, maybe.
Why would you want to do that?
Well,
for what reason?
Maybe go viral.
Of our parking lot?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
What's your name?
What's your name?
I don't answer questions. What's your name?
You don't answer questions.
Are you a public employee?
Am I a public employee?
Are you a public servant?
I am.
Aren't you required to identify?
I'd like to ask you your name first, sir.
Well, since I don't have to answer your question, and you do have to answer mine, why don't we start there?
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Audit CDA Idaho. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Before we get into this video, I would like to take a moment and let you all know I have started a second YouTube channel. My new channel is called Retro Gaming Central, and it will focus on all aspects of retro video games and gaming systems. If this sounds interesting to you, please click on the link in the description below to subscribe to my new channel. Today's video took place on February 3rd, 2021. In the video, the auditor was doing a First Amendment audit of a FBI field office. He was calmly walking around the public parking lot when he was approached by two FBI agents. Both agents refused to identify, then proceeded to ask the auditor a bunch of questions. What follows is a hilarious back and forth between the auditor and the FBI agents. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
I don't have to answer your question, first off.
So you don't have to identify?
I don't have to answer your questions, no.
Okay.
But I would like to know why you're on this property and taking... Those are private vehicles. Those aren't government vehicles. Those aren't government vehicles, so why are you taking pictures of them?
Is this public property?
Are you just here to provoke stuff? Is that what you're doing?
I mean, I hate that you feel provoked. I hate that the state of this country's come to this.
The state of the country?
This is a constitutionally protected, yes. This is a constitutionally protected activity, and you're getting a big hard-on about it.
I'm not going to get a big hard-on. I'm asking you a question as to why you're here.
The problem is just because you... I'm not going to tell you that. You know that. Okay. Just because you can, should you? Just because you can doesn't mean you should, I think, is the what we're trying to bring up here.
It just seems like you're trying to provoke
that's your
stuff.
opinion, though, what I should or what I can't.
Yeah, it is your opinion.
No, you're saying that I have the right, but should I exercise the right? I say rights are like muscles. If you don't exercise them, they'll get flabby. People like you, tyrants, are going to come out here and try to squash me.
We have
I'm a tyrant, really?
Well,
I came out and asked you why you're taking photographs of private people's vehicles.
And I told you.
If I came to your residence and I took photographs...
Is this your residence? That's apples and oranges.
It's really not. It's really not. A private vehicle that's parked here, like you said, in a public area, why would someone care about a private vehicle that's parked in a public area?
If we stood on the road and
anything that I can see, anything that I can see, I can film.
Yeah, because there's not
That's my right.
No, that's your right.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the reason that you said was to put it on the internet. What would that purpose be?
No, I didn't say I was going to put it on there. I said
you did say that.
It could be one.
No, you did say that.
No, I didn't say that. It's all on video.
It is, and when you put it on there and it says, yes, I'm going to put it on the internet.
Maybe. Well, now I'm thinking more seriously about it.
Sir, I came out to ask you a question.
Is that illegal?
As to what you're doing.
Is that illegal?
Because it looks suspicious.
Is it illegal to put it on the internet?
I came out to, no, it's not.
Okay.
I came out to ask you about it because it looks suspicious.
Well, you've asked, I've answered.
I guess the question is what
you guys
goal
are
is.
dismissed.
If you want to, if you want to have a normal conversation, just what the goal is. That's all we're asking.
I don't want to talk to you. I don't even know why you come out here and jack me like this.
And Jack, we're two normal guys just having a conversation with you.
I don't think so, buddy. What's your name, normal guy?
I'm not going to tell you.
All right, normal guy. What's all about you? Normal guy. Hey, normal guy. What's your name, bud?
Do you also believe that it looks suspicious when you come out here and you're taking photographs of people's cars?
Is suspicion a misdemeanor or a felony?
No, it's neither. It's neither.
Okay.
You're free to do it, sir.
All right.
But you really shouldn't be upset when I ask you a question.
I'm not upset. So now you're trying to accuse me of being upset, so I'm going to back off. And you guys need to de-escalate calm down. Nobody's upset. I'm out here filming, bud. That's
We're
it.
not escalated. Well, you can't de-escalate something that's not escalated.
Well, this is a nice car here. Is this your car?
Doesn't matter.
Regular guy. Hey, regular guy. Is this your car?
What difference does it make?
Where's your car, camel guy?
And why are you covering
I don't
your
answer
face?
questions.
What's that?
You need a reasonable answer to answer questions. So I think that's where the rub is.
Is that your personal phone, or is that issued to you?
I don't answer questions.
All right, well, don't erase it. It'll be a crime.
Why's that?
Because I'm going to make a FOIA request and get that, all your personal information and everything.
But you can't do that.
That was a big mistake,
yourself.
bud.
I
You
don't
can't do
know
a
if I
FOIA
agree
unless
with
you
that.
identify yourself,
See,
sir.
that's opinion,
That's
right?
public information. No.
It's not. You
No.
have to identify yourself.
No, I got it.
If you want anything related to you,
All right, bud.
you have to identify yourself.
It's all on film. Don't erase that. It's a felony.
No, that's not accurate, but okay.
Oh, now you're a lawyer? You're a lawyer?
You said this.
Are you an attorney?
Public, right? I can take a picture.
Are you an attorney, bud? Normal guy?
I can take a picture wherever I want.
Are you an attorney, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Sir, I'm willing to have a reasonable conversation.
Are you not entertained?
Am I entertained?
Didn't I make your day today or what?
Dude, I have so many more important things to do.
Okay, well, get busy, man. Go do your job.
Who wants to argue with
Stop jacking the citizens and go do your job. You see any crimes going on?
Yeah, you know what? People, when they want to break into cars, they have to look and see if there's anything inside them that they have any desire to take, right? So if I don't want somebody to break in my car because I see them looking into it and filming what's inside,
People look in
nothing
cars.
says I can't
People
sit out
look in
here and
cars
challenge
for.
somebody on why they're looking into cars.
Are you trying to make what I'm doing into a crime?
What are you talking about?
That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to make it become a crime.
No. I'm giving you a reason why I might be interested in why you're doing what
If
you're
you
doing.
think a crime going on right now, you should stop it.
I never said there was a crime.
Okay, then what are you talking about?
Well, if you stop for a second and listen, I'm saying what you're doing has elicited my interest. That's why
Okay.
we're out here talking to you. We're not saying you're doing anything wrong.
Okay, well,
just- you cannot
I'll
answer
tell you
questions,
this.
that's
I don't have any nefarious.
well, I
what
don't
I
know
say
that.
doesn't matter to you anyway. But I don't
really
have no
does. I don't-
nefarious
I don't
intentions.
know that, and I don't know
I'm
you.
just out here filming whatever I think's cool.
Okay, well that requires for me to trust that you're being honest with me, and I don't. So
Right.
yeah.
No one's gonna do anything to you. You're not in trouble.
How's it going? What's your name? What's your name?
I'll give you mine if you give me yours.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'll do that for you.
Okay.
You first.
Doesn't work that way.
Again, this is the
Okay.
whole reasonableness, right?
You see the public and the federal government's relationship now?
That's not the way it works.
You're suspicious of us. You won't tell us your name. You don't believe what I say.
Well-
I say I'm not up to anything nefarious. This guy doesn't trust me. What did I do to
But-
not be
but
trusted?
understand.
I got this. You're being honest.
Hold on a
I got it.
second.
I got it.
No, I got it. I've already talked. Understand, if I was to walk onto your property with a camera filming the inside of your vehicles, you would be just as concerned, correct?
I would be concerned, sure.
But you don't expect us to be concerned.
I mean, I'd be
Especially in the
concerned.
days and times
Okay.
where we've got law enforcement being targeted for all sorts of things. We just lost 2 agents this morning in Florida.
Right. Well, that's part of what I'm doing here. I'm trying to bridge the gap. Okay.
Okay.
And so
I
I don't want to get too much into it, but to answer your question, I answered Mark's question the same way. Of course, I would make me feel a little bit uncomfortable or whatever, uneasy.
Yeah.
But I know the law, which you should
That's
know
fine.
if you're law enforcement. Are you
Yeah.
law enforcement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well then you should know the law. And once you know that there's no law being broken, you're not a feelings
I'm
enforcer.
not saying there is a law being broken.
So there's
We're
really
just,
no reason to
concerned.
push it, you know?
Yeah,
Sir,
no.
You did ask to be reasonable, and I told you I'd have a conversation with you.
Okay.
I also gave you my name, which you did not give me yours.
Man, when we start to roll, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But,
is there any other questions I can answer for?
No, not at all. Appreciate it, man. You guys have been wonderful, man. Have a great day.
Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Again, he just got done telling you that this is private, and now you're continuing to be.
Tell me where the line is.
Man.
Private.
I don't understand why you.
Look at him. Look at him, guys. I'm on public land right now.
I don't understand why.
Look at him.
Once again, we can explain that.
Why are
The
you
sidewalk's
backing off?
public land. This is private, but
Hey, just remember, I might not be the only photographer.
I'm asking you questions. man.
Mark,
I thought that's what you wanted. Was
I told you from the start, man, you're lying now. I told you I wanted to answer none of your fucking questions. Now get the fuck out of here.
Come on, sir. Is that reasonable to say?
Absolutely. You've been disrespectful to me. You get what you get what you give.
How was I disrespectful, sir?
Go back to work.
How was I disrespectful?
Go back to work.
Sir, how was I disrespectful? Did it call for that language?
Go back to work.
Did it call for that language?
Go back to work.
If you're going to be rude to me, sir, I'm not going to be as pleasant with you.
I don't give a shit what you are, man.
Now you just want to poke things?
That's right. Go back to work.
You're a dick, dude.
Yeah, that's why I told you. I don't make friends. You still want to have Starbucks coffee?
Yes, I asked you for coffee.
Yeah, yeah. You still want to have Starbucks coffee with me?
I asked you if you'd like to go and get a cup of coffee.
A total jerk.
And now you don't want to.
Get back to work, Mark.
Okay, sir.
We don't pay you to stand around.
You don't pay me at all, sir.
Tough guy.
Thanks for being so pleasant,
Walk of
sir.
shame, tough guy.
Thanks for being so pleasant.
Walk of shame,
Did I
tough
answer any of
guy.
your questions? Do you have any more questions?
Bye. Back to work.
Well, I'm asking, do you have any more questions?
Back to work. Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
Thanks.
That's my question. Your name and badge number.
Sir,
Okay, my name is Special Agent Edward Jacobson. We don't have badge numbers, sorry.
You have an identification number?
Yes, but that is not something we give out publicly. So.
Okay. Good enough. We'll check that out.
Feel
I'll
free to
take
check it
your
out.
word for it.
You can take my word
Special
for it.
Agent.
You can feel free to check it out.
All right.
So, is there anything else we can help you with?
I've answered that question 100 times, man. You
Okay. Well, then, as far as I'm concerned, then our business should be done here, correct?
I hope so.
Okay.
Leave me alone, it'll be done.
Shouldn't that work both ways?
You're a public servant, man. Start acting like it.
I'm in public service.
You're a public
Yes.
servant. Start acting like it.
How am I not acting like it?
Well, you're still sitting there asking if I have any questions. I've told you 100 times to get back to work. Why don't you go back to work?
Because this would be considered part of me working.
Okay, well, what's your goal here?
Huh?
What's your goal?
What is our goal?
Yeah, what's your goal?
Huh? My goal is essentially to determine what businesses you have that you have with us right now.
I'm filming.
Okay?
Okay? That's all you need to know. Get back to work.
Okay, well, you have fun filming. If you need anything, feel free to push the button. We'll be more than
Well, I
happy to come out and
appreciate it. I
talk
hope
to
you mean that.
Okay, I will. I'll come out and talk to you.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember and go over and check out Audit CDA Idaho's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.